Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. Today we are on the 2019 Sea Ray SDX 290 with the new Mercury Verado 4-strokes. Sunbad here on the back. Walk through entrance into the boat. Step in and out of the boat. Wet bar area here. Refrigerator. Extra seating. Ample storage. Nice shot there's the joystick piloting. Digital throttle and shift. All new Simrad digital dash and electronics. Fusion stereo. All stainless steel toggle switches. Captain's helm chair, forward and aft. Port side. Tons of room here in the boat for the whole family. Tower on board the boat. Nice overhead shot there. Okay, coming up to the front. Head compartment. Vacuum flush holding system. Walk through into the bow. Storage cup holders, stainless steel anchor, and windlass. Nice room up here. Walk through to the bow. Storage up here in the front. This is the 2019 Sea Ray SDX 290. with the twin Mercury Verado 4-strokes with the joystick piloting. Come and see us at 609-494-2102. Thank you.